What's up guys, Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we're going to show you how to go from bent chromoly to straight aluminum with the Steer Smarts hookup. Stick around.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree.
So, at this point on the install, you're going to want to move over here. This is going to be a 21 millimeter. You can put a 10 millimeter wrench on there. You're going to tighten this down to 63 to 67 foot-pounds. You want to make sure this is nice and flat. Moving over to your clamps, this is going to be a 16 and an 18. Make sure you have your spacers in there. And I was told as you tighten these down, they go to 85 foot-pounds. You want to alternate back and forth until you achieve torque. Make these clamps however you can orient them best for clearance. You don't want to really hit anything, so you're going to want to check clearances. I believe they say to put them down, but I don't really want to put them down unless I have to for clearance reasons because I rock crawl, so I'm going to smack the crap out of them. So I'm going to shoot for here, and we'll see how they end up. Maybe I'll throw a little shot in at the end on how I end up after I go flex testing. So tighten this all down, tighten this down. You'll want to probably get a crow's foot, 21 millimeter crow's foot, and put your 10 wrench on there. Tighten it down until you achieve torque. Make sure your boot is centered and nice and flush. And again, this always wants to be flush before you tighten your clamp down. Quick little tip from Andy. Make sure this collar is nice and flush over here. And you're going to have a 16 and an 18. Now, when you're cranking this down to 85 foot-pounds of torque, you don't want to just go 85 foot-pounds and then 85 foot-pounds. Take this thing down to, halfway, back to this one, then take it down to 80, then this one down to 85. Excuse me, 85, not 80. But you don't want to just crank one all the way down and not the other. You want to do them kind of semi-evenly.
All look good.
All right.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Right, I'll tell you when it's all right.
Don't back over me.
Yeah, in the front.
You got a 16th on either side of that track on the top, on the brake line. Tire. You guys see the link is about 16 million on either side. So you're working. If you're stuffing this tire, you're rubbing the bolt on the brake line. I can feel it. I know the clamps look good. The steering stabilizer clamp isn't even close to the diff. I think you're good.
Let me tell you a little about what we're installing here. We previously had the XD system with the chromoly steel, and as you can see in the video, we bent it pretty good. Not everybody's gonna have that kind of damage to it, but if you have, this is a good upgrade. So this is gonna be an 1 3/4 70/75 aluminum, and that's gonna be very strong, but it's going to give you a little bit of flexibility and should have that memory and come back to where it was. You can either buy this as an entire setup with the giant, now they're calling them 2.5 ton ends, or you can just go with the bar if you already have the ends. That should give you a little bit of information about why we did that and help you out on it.